meghalayapost.news.
Menteri Rengba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kisangma ula Kyntait mardor ban Kren Halor ka cockroach janta party kum kawin ka kenhun kisamla kabla penkiwin hakari ta ka bong bangihap benda besar benia ya ka jingklan kanu ka sengsan perthai bat ka bani islam bani ka kenhun ka bala suya kersan ne yok bor kensan na kipat ba haba jubam ik jingkali kinong tho khobor Conrad Kisangma ulong baki kenhun sengsan perthai kadon kampalat ya ka jingkersan kipat ba ne ban pa ho kirinsan social media rekum ki sengsan perthai ki deban peniru ya ka jinglong scam bat ka jingya kabayo ikajing shania na kipat ba ngamdon ban Kren ya kinu ki sengsan perthai ne ki kenhun rekum ki sengsan perthai ki don kam ya kajing scam kerkom trekam baru ki batip tikna ya kiriti sunshar kari ong Conrad Kisangma susu lo ong ru ban seng ne penia ya kanu ke sengsan perthai kam dei ka kam kabasung bat ki don shibun ki junge baha ban ya kendu bakan long scam ne yai ne bat ka badon kam hakmat kalong ban scam bat ka bane islam.
I really have no real comments on the political party as such. Because a party requires an organization, party requires a certain base and certain constitutional aspects. So I think as and when the party builds up into an organization, only then we'll be able to comment. Right now, yes, there is a certain wave, and that happens in today's world. Social media is very powerful, and so it is very possible to connect to different issues and different programs or different stands that different individuals may take. But a political party is beyond just a movement that is to be there. The movement is the beginning. So therefore there's a long way to go. So we'll have to wait and watch and see how things happen, how they shape up. As I said, running a political organization is not so simple. There are a lot of challenges, and I think the consistency and the stability and how you are able to run the party in the long run is really what matters. So initial hype can always be there, which is again depends on the issues that are there. But I think what is important is the consistency and the long-term stability of the organization. So let's see how it goes, and we'll be also watching. And what is important for us is that we have always maintained that we should build up and continue to organize our party and our organization, and that's what really matters to us.
meghalayapost.news